live for live stream 292, and gonna be doing the same thing again as I did yesterday. So let's see. Seems like I was about to set up for a short there, but gonna have to wait. Market seems a little bit choppy, which is a good thing. It's a good thing. Kind of market they could lose a fair bit in. Point of control's pretty close. Seems like we want to head down. Oh, we made new lows on the day. Oh, matter of fact, got
order submitted. Order filled.
Oh my word, it's the wrong size. Ah. Come on. Gonna have to close that.
Order filled.
Wrong. It should have been a short. Why does that chart look different?
Order filled.
Why is it not copying? Oh my word. Is it the wrong account? Oh, it is the wrong account. Oh my fucking word. Oh goodness.
Order filled.
Why is this on the fucking wrong account? Honestly. Fucking, oh my flipping word. A perfectly good trade. Not taken. Oh my gosh. Would have hit the target as well. Jeez Louise. Why did it not save the fucking account? Oh my fucking life, man. Perfectly good trade. Let's see what the target is. Target's at 94.50. See, the problem is
order submitted.
Okay.
Order filled.
So that's 55. 55. Hopefully I can lose this trade here. Stops up at 425. 425. Original trade at 94.50. I actually could have got back in that. I think I should take that actually, the 94.50. 94.50 trade, because that trade's still valid. So it would have been a short there. That's pretty much where I got in, wasn't it? Yeah, it's pretty close.
Order filled.
Okay, good. So got a loss there. Really good. Got a loss there. Really good there. Exactly the sort of thing I'm looking for. Get a loss. So it's this is saying there's a short here, but I'm not going to take it. I'm not going to take it. Let's go have a look at the 5 minute. Let's see what's happening on the 5s. Let's go figure out this. So we got point of control sitting up at the 412s. Maybe the price wants to get up there. Up to the point of control. Yeah, we're not gonna take it. Hold on, let's see. on, let's think about this. Where could I get my next loss from? Need to think about where the next loss can come in here. So let's talk about our short I didn't take. So the short I didn't take, we're looking at being short around 495, target down at 77, stop up at 13 at 75. So again, I decided not to take it with a stop down at 77, right down where this line is, and a stop up at 13 at 75. So time will tell. Time will certainly tell. Oh wow. I just got a long there. Can I get it to come back up? Come on. Yeah, I'll take it.
Order filled.
$23.50. Oh, that's pretty big. $23.50. Looking for 80.25. Oh, what's happening here? 80.25. Hopefully I can lose this trade. Currently testing up point of control. Maybe the stop isn't high enough, but I'm gotta leave it. So I would like it if I was to be stopped out here, and I would end the day. Work on a few other projects. So we've got these previous highs here, but there's zero guarantees that they will hold. Market may want to go and test these highs up at the 30s. So we've come down to that 200, seeing buy step in there around that 403. Hoping I can get a loss here. Hopefully this can come down to the stop loss down at 80.25. Doesn't seem like it will. Seem to be holding at 200 for the moment. Breaking those highs. Volume's picking up. Well, it's going to be a stop out. Well, it's going to get to target here. There we go.
Order filled.
Okay, it's got to target. So we can see we've gone negative. So on the day, looking at 207 points on NQ, high to low range. Over on ES, we're looking at 42.75. Over on gold, we've seen a bit of a break to the upside at 78.5. Hold on, I'm pretty sure they said ES all-time highs. Oh, that's a long way away. Look how many consecutive bullish days we've had. Quite a few there. Oh, come on. You're going to really sell off now? After stopping me out at 23? Cannot be doing that. Let's go have a look at the 2-minute chart. Does seem a little bit bullish here. Got the lows, got the higher lows. Running into the point of control. On the 5s. Pretty spotty volume profile here all the way up to that 185. 485. Pretty spotty. Still got all of this region here from yesterday where the market rallied pretty uncontrollably from the open. We'll see. Hanging around the point of control at the moment. Maybe I should go for a breakout of the point of control actually. Yeah.
Order filled.
It's not gonna. Can't really be doing that sort of thing, can I?
Order filled.
It's not part of the strat. If I was going to do that, should have been taking it all the way up at the 413s. Oh my word, I just got a long.
Order filled.
Oh, it's not a long. It's not a long on that. It's a short.
Order filled.
That's what it is, a short. Stops at 16. 16. 16 is a stop. Hopefully I can get stopped out here. Stops down at 81.25. 81.25. Hopefully I can get stopped out. Come on, go for that stop. Here's a point of control, gonna act as resistance. That's still at 1275. We can see it here on the right hand side on the 2-minute chart. So that 1275 is where the point of control is. Targets all, the stops all the way up at 16. Hopefully it can come and get that stop. 1275, 13, 14, 25. Come on, go get it 15. Go get it 16 here. Yeah, there we go.
Order filled.
Stopped out. Good stuff. Good stuff right there. Oh, hold on. Darn it. Could have took a short. Sorry, I could have took a long there, which would be a short on this account. Oh no. Missed out on that long, it looks like. 98.25 would be the target. All the way down here. 98.25. Let's see.
Order submitted.
Oh no. You know what? Let's not take the chance with
Order canceled.
with this 200. 98.25. Oh, it would have hit target. Ah, that short up there would have hit target. Interesting. I'm seeing quite a bit of volume here. I don't think I'm going to stand in the way of that. I'm not going to stand in the way of that, even though I've got a long there. Seems pretty aggressive. Well, that first candle's bullish, so let's... what is that? A sell?
Order submitted.
In case it wants to come back down there. Second guessing myself here too much. Look at that. That should have been a great trade. Would have been in 86, gone up to 96. Never know. Let's see, that was quite a bit of volume through those lows, picked up those characters down there. Let's see. That is another opportunity. Let's see, tested the point of control, probably rejecting it.
Order canceled.
And now to the value area. No, I'll take the competition. Sell stop.
Order
now.
submitted.
Losses are part of the trading, so let's stop second guessing ourselves. The goal is to lose at the end of the day. If you're not taking the trades, you're not going to lose. And if you're not going to lose, hold on. Why do I have some trades on?
Order filled.
What in the world? Had some trades on in the background. Oh my word. I guess this is going to show I should have taken that short trade. Anyway, let's put the order out there.
Order submitted.
The target would have been 0975. 0975. That would have been a great trade. So missed out on this trade here. Talked myself out of this trade. Talked myself out of this trade. Come on now. And this looks like it's going to go to that 0975. You know, I'll just take the setups. I let the high volume that came in off this candle scare me out. Oh, this is a completely different setup.
Order canceled.
Ah,
Order filled.
$75.50. $75.50. 411.25. 411.25. Just ran into that 200 there. Rejecting it. Looks like I'm gonna lose. Well, looks like I'm gonna win on this trade, but lose in the main account. It's at 11.25. 11.25. It's a nice choppy market. There's that kind of market I need. See all these wicks trading in around a point of control. Exact kind of market I need. Back and forth. Hopefully I can go pick up. So I'm up 5. Pick up what, just over 10 there, about 15. May take us up to close to 30 if we can get stopped out here. 0 guarantees we'll get stopped out, but I do like shorting into the lows. So we've got this 200 and these previous highs, a bit of a protection on this short, which I'm hoping to lose. So after missing out on this trade, clearly the mental state isn't where it needs to be. I suppose we could say this. Oh my gosh, that would have got to the target there. 0975. There we go.
Order filled.
0975. So this trade down here would have hit target. This trade would have hit target. So I'm up 19. And we've actually got a short on this candle. So, what is it? What'll be a buy stop market?
Order submitted.
Yeah, it'll be a buy stop market, wouldn't it?
Order filled.
Yes. Let's see. 92. 92. Not doing what I was doing before now. 27, 25. 27, 25. Let's go see if we can get this 92. Hopefully I can get stopped out here. Fingers crossed. Can see we're almost up to 30, but doesn't mean anything. This can still turn around and go up. Still got support in and around this 200. See, buyers are just there. They're just hanging around. Doesn't look good. Does not look good. Doesn't look good. Came down, built a bit of a base and seemed to be rallying towards the highs. So we've got the 16s. And we've got his previous high. Oh my gosh, it stops at the previous highs. Ah, rabbits. Rabbits. Yeah. Not looking good, especially if you look at the twos. Definitely seems like he wants to go attack those highs. Seems somewhat inevitable. High volume on that candle there. Yeah, they're going for the highs and they're going for this stop. Well, this target here.
Order filled.
Okay. Okie dokie. Back to break even after being up 19. So the P&L's clearly going to be quite volatile because I'm winning and losing. What I need to do is go on a run of just losing. Where are we going here? Oh, actually, I'm looking at the wrong thing. NQ 530. Okay. Oh wow, a lot of volume coming in there. I'm gonna buy it.
Order filled.
Gonna FOMO in 60.75. Typically that's what I'll do. I'd FOMO in 1850. 1850 would be the stop. Typically I'll just FOMO in on a trade like that. And be annoyed that it did come down and hit my stop. But who knows, maybe today's a day where the market is gonna reward FOMO. Who knows? Highest volume for the period so far on that candle. This candle right here. No, we do have like 1 million Fed speakers today. So where am I short? I'm short at 40. Well, where am I long? I'm long at 41 with a stop down at 1850. So if I can get picked up, potentially gonna pick up 20. So fingers crossed we can get stopped out here. Like I said, this would be the typical FOMO trade I'll take and end up paying for it. How long have we been trading now? About 30 minutes. Is this FOMO trade going to get rewarded? It's all the way into that 200 period on the 2-minute chart. I'm not sure how significant that is. It's not like say a 200 and a 5-minute. Let's go have a look at the 5s. Over on the 5s, yeah, we can see we're in that high volume area. Got a bit of a gap up to the 484s. So there is certainly room to the upside. Let's see if this FOMO trade to the upside works out. Still positive at the moment because it's not reversing strongly. Still just a bit of a grind, showing that buyers are still holding this up. Let's see if this FOMO trade wants to work itself out. I guess today FOMO works. Let's wait and see. Yeah, this looks like a FOMO is going to work today. Let's go have a look at the twos. Value area high sitting around the 60s. FOMO is working today. Well, I needed to get below 33. I'm going to put an alert at 32.75. May not get down there. So do we have sellers above 45s here? These previous highs. We've traded above, but we haven't been able to close above. Zero guarantees it's going to come down to the 1850 though. So buyers have come back in strongly. Yeah, it looks like our friends over at FOMO are going to work today. We're not going to close early. Stay patient. We've got to be careful here not to... I suppose the breakout's above 58. So our stop is about 60. So the breakout would take us up to the 80s. Let's have a look at the profile. So we've got low volume up at 52. Potentially. Could act as a resistance. 52.50. And then 62.75. And then this around the 83s. So I do have a few headwinds. Putting in volume here. into the 40s. I'd certainly like for market to get away from this area. The more we hang around, the more volume we're building, the more of a base we're building that we could launch from to go attack the highs up there at the 60s. I did mention we've got the 52s and the 58s. 58s is far too close to the 60s. Imagine if we get up there, we're probably going to clip the 60s at least. So I actually just got a setup for another long trade on this chart. But of course we're already in a trade, so we'll not obviously be taking it. Hmm. Hold on. 53.25.
Order filled.
53.25.
Order submitted.
$32.50. 32.50.
Order submitted.
If we get to that 53.25, we'll be closing that trade off. No, it is not even there. It's 30. It's in fact 30. Yeah, it's 30. Oh, come on, get down to that 30. See, when prices got below the 40 there, I thought, oh, definitely it's going to come all the way down. Nope. Seem to be building a bit of a base. So this other entry long was based on a late entry getting in a long setup from this candle. So it should have been long there because of the second setup long. I decided to get in a bit later, looking to FOMO in and get this 53.25. But unfortunately, it looks like it may come down to this 30 and hit my stop. What a shame will that be? Oh no.
Order filled.
It's just going to hit my stop. Oh
Order
no.
canceled.
And if this goes down to this 1850, goodness me. Think I may end the day here. I just got a signal to go long, but I'm already in a short. Just got a signal to go long on this candle, but I'm in a short already. The FOMO short. Choices, choices, choices. Oh my word. Look at it. Golly. I'm thinking of adjusting my stop to break even here. And then just having a reset.
Order failed.
I'm going to take it off. I'm going to take it off. So the target was down at 1850. Sorry, the stop was down at 1850. And this long trade, the target is actually 44.25. Come on, we can't be start doing that sort of thing. So this was a buy. Oh, hold on. Where did I get out? 40. So I got out at 40. See, this doesn't work, does it? See, that FOMO trade was a nightmare. Because I could have got that trade there. Then I could have got this long trade. Or this short trade that would have worked out to be a long.
Order submitted.
So I was out at 40. Maybe I go 47. See, the opportunity was all the way down there. Hold on. Why is it on a sell? Oh,
Order
darn.
failed. Order failed.
Shouldn't this be... Oh, it was a buy. It was a buy order. Come on. Supposed to be a buy order up there. Buy.
Order submitted.
You know what? I swear it was. So what did you gain? You were short at 41. And you're out at 41. Making a mess of this. What is that line? Oh, it's a VWAP. This comes down to 18 now. You've gotten out early out of it. You could have just left it alone. We'll see. Oh my word. There it goes. Okay. All right. That's it. That is it.
Order cancelled.
That is it. I've got to just stop. Oh, hold on. What in the world? Why have I still got trades on over there? Why have I got trades on?
Order filled.
Oh my word. I wasn't even paying attention. I had trades on in the background that were actually long. Ran into that 200 there. So what would we do in here? What do we do? We just short
Order filled.
the point of control. Looking at 30.75. $88.50.
Order filled.
I guess so.
Order filled.
I guess it continues to the downside. Down 8. Entirely my own doing. So prices from let's go have a look at this on the 5s. We got 84s. May have been early there. Who knows?
Order filled.
23.25. 23.25. 85. 85 to the downside. 85. 85. Hopefully this can come up to the stop. Trying to navigate the point of control, sitting at a 1275 still. Put my stop to break even here.
Order filled.
Let's take that off.
Order filled.
Oh, come on. So I get out down there. Wasn't a true setup anyway. Oh, here we go.
Order filled.
26. 26. 98.75. 98.75. Let's just stick with the strats here. No second guessing. And we'll stop out.
Order filled.
There we go. We seem to be building higher lows on the twos. Oh, hold on.
Order filled.
Let's go along there. 32.25. 32.25. 450. 450. Where am I short from? 16. Pick about 15. About break even. Let's go have a look at the twos. Looking for 400. Chopping around the point of control. Well, we'll see. So 450 is not quite the lows of this candle here. Pretty close to it. Got these bearish lows over here as well, around the 401s. Hopefully now we can just get picked up here. Just need a quick dump, which it's not appearing to want to do. Guess the buyers down there didn't like it. Came down to the point of control, put in higher lows. Likelihood is it's going to go get that stop. Well, this target up here. In all likelihood. As you can see the point of control, we came down towards it, consolidated, put in higher lows. I'll be surprised if he comes down to this target. Sorry, this stop here. But we'll see. We'll certainly see. Came in, put in a higher low here. above the point of control, seeing at 1275, right down here. Now we have to break these lows at the 405s. Had a series of higher lows. Got the lows, higher lows again. But I gotta treat it like I'm trading this one here, so if I was long, I'd be certainly positive about this trade. You can see there it went down to the point of control, down at 1275. Buyers have stepped in.
Order filled.
Okay, so we're stopped out there. Oh, hold on. Oh my word. Goodness me.
Order submitted.
Ah, missed it. Oh, hold on. May just get it. Oh, come on. Come on. If this gets to 17, I've got to cancel the order. Wait so long and I missed it. Ah.
Order canceled. Order filled.
Oh, no, no. Wrong way.
Order filled. Order filled.
Should be a cell. down to 98.25. $27.50.
Order filled. 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 Order filled.
If you're stopped out here, which it seems likely.
Order filled. Order filled.
I'm going to call it a day there. It's not worked out today. Down 43. It's not the end of the world. Price action is not conducive towards the strategy. So we'll come back tomorrow, see what the market brings. We'll now go have a look over at trade performance. So over on our trade performance here, just couldn't quite get a handle on the market. Negative profit factor, loss on, let's see. We're positive on long trades, lost on the short trades. Accuracy is down at 38%, average win to average loss. So the average win is bigger than the average loss. Largest win to largest loss, largest win smaller than the largest loss. So we don't like to see that. This is certainly a positive. So we'll just put it down to the market conditions. Overall, we can see quite a bit of volatility in the cumulative net P&L, pointing to a drop 19. Of course, we drew down. We've gone negative down 43. So we'll come back. We'll trade a strategy likely tomorrow and see what the market has in store for us.